But what's the problem with the ghosts eating our dots? We have to prevent that next, don't we? Let's get started. Let's create a new variable for this. To do this, we use a new variable in which we save the position for all dots. The best place for this is the method load level. Here we can quickly and easily fill our variable with the necessary data. We will fill the variable later with other characters to protect it from the ghosts. But step by step. After we have saved all the dots in our list, we can continue with a small change in the moveGhost method. We're diving into an incredibly important part of the ghost movement logic. This update ensures that the tiles ghosts leave behind return to their original state, whether that's a dot, a special tile, or just an empty space. Let's unravel this logic step by step. First, we declare a variable found_tile and set it to false. This will help us track if the ghost's current position matches one of the tiles stored in our trusty original tiles dictionary. Then, we loop through every entry in original tiles using a for each. For every key value pair, We ask, hey, does this tile's position match the ghost's current position? If it does, we set found_tile to true, bingo, we've got a match. Now that we know the ghost was standing on a tile that belongs to the original tiles collection, it's time to restore the tile. If the original tile was a dot, comma, we restore it to a dot. Otherwise, we assume the tile was just an empty space, and we restore that instead. This ensures the game board remains true to its design, even after the ghosts roam all over the place. But wait. What if the ghost's position wasn't in the original tile's dictionary? That's where this check comes in. If found_tile is still false, it means the ghost moved to a tile that wasn't part of the original set of special tiles. In that case, we default to setting the tile back to an empty space, dot. This catch-all ensures that no ghost leaves the board in chaos, everything is restored neatly behind them. This logic is crucial for keeping the board accurate and fair. Imagine if a ghost moved over a dot or a special tile and erased it permanently, total chaos. By restoring tiles to their original states, we keep the game running smoothly and preserve all those delicious dots for Pacman to munch. Of course, we then also have to remove all the dots Pacman has eaten from the list. We can do this quickly and easily at this point. So everything is clear. Let's test it out. Great, that looks really good. The ghosts are moving and only we can eat our beloved dots.